Yes. Sir, one of the arguments that was put forth was that the distribution system of power through the super thermal power stations was illogical. Stop. That is what one of the honorable members had put forth. Stop. In fact, it should not be said that I am not courteous to the lady member who had spoken. Stop. In fact, I must compliment her for the brilliant maiden speech that has been made this morning. Stop. But I am not merely on the point of the skill of the debate, but what happens you kindly consider. Stop now. Supposing power is to be supplied from the central project according to the deficit of the states, then I am sure the states will become mere parasites. Stop. I would not like to go into these details because it would be unfair. Stop. You do not expect me to answer every question that you will raise in a debate of this nature. Stop. Era. Sir, it is not as though the central sector which exists in Bihar only consumes power. Quite a good bit of power is supplied by the central sector. Stop. So it is both ways. Stop. I am sure there is a quota for it. Stop. The position that I would rather prefer to put forth is that there is a formula. Stop. There is a formula that has been evolved. Stop. The whole country has been divided into various regions for this purpose. Stop. In fact, Rajyadyaksh committee wanted that we should set up regional electricity boards. Stop. There was opposition from the states because the states think that their power would be eroded. Stop. Therefore, we are acting a little slow in the matter. Stop. Now, what had been happening, I must also explain my difficulty in one sector. Stop. Now, the formula that has been evolved is that the central power project, if it is located in a particular state, we provide straightway 10% electricity generated to that state, and then 75% is evacuated not only to the state in which this project is located but to all the states in the region. 15% of the electricity is kept with the center to release to the state in the region whichever is in sufferance. Stop. This is the formula that has been evolved. Stop. If this formula has got to be changed for those states which are deficit states, then the states would not take up the projects which they